Hi everyone, please don't mind my appearance right now. First of all, I just got done working out, and second of all, I've been sick. I haven't been sleeping the best. There's a lot going on, but that's not why we're here today. I made a purchase recently that was a little bit of a splurge, and it's something I've been debating about doing because I've recently been getting disgusted by the most random things. Recently, it's been tap water. I always drink out of filtered water, but I never thought about the effects of tap water and how it could be impacting my acne and my skin. Now, I do live in a city. It's kind of like a town city hybrid thing. I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. It's considered a city, so I don't know what all is in the tap water. I'm going to be doing a test of the filterbaby water filter. This is something that I've seen all over my TikTok. It's something that I've wanted to invest in for a while, and I was definitely going to bring you all along for this journey and see if it is something that I'm actually going to see a change with. Now, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. Here we go. I think this is it. Watch this not be it. It said it was supposed to be here. Watch this not be it, and I've just been lying this entire time. So they say it's very easy to install. I don't think I'm going to install it today because I'm very busy. I'm just the type of person that whenever it comes to tasks, I always try to take on everything at once, and I'm trying to get better about that and take things one step at a time. Here we go. Oh wow, okay, we're in. Cool. Oh wow. This is packaged really nice. Oh yeah, this is what it is, thank God. Okay, here we have it. So I did do the subscription service. They were running a deal when I got this. I think it was 30% off. Make sure you do follow them to see when they are doing discounts. Here we have it. Here is the filterbaby water filter. This is so nice, wow. Okay. There it is. There is the magic filter. I do think it comes with adjustable things, and what I like about it is that they have a notch. The reason why I wanted to go for this one was because, first of all, they say it's dermatologist tested, and also it has a notch where you can switch it to use the filter or not use the filter. Okay, so it comes with a lot of different faucet adjusters, I guess, adapters. And then this, the actual filter itself. I'm so excited to use this. I have been waiting, and it's one of these purchases that I've been stalling because one, I haven't wanted to spend money on it just because that's just me. And then two, just really wanted to make sure it would be worth it. So they give you a user manual. And if I'm able to do it, then I feel like almost anybody could, because I am not very savvy with that. We learned that with the cabinets video. We're not gonna revisit that. But it looks to be pretty self-explanatory. Like, they have it very easy to understand, easy to read. Yeah, it seems to be pretty self-explanatory. I'm not gonna do it today because I have a lot of editing and things to do, but this will definitely be a task that I take on later. Also, it comes with $40 gift card, $40 value gift. Cool. Okay. Well, I am very excited to take you all along on this journey. I'm not sure how I'm gonna lay out this video yet, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you. This is one of those videos that I have completely just let go. I lost motivation for it for a while because I forgot to film me installing it. I find that a lot of times what happens is I get caught up in just focusing on getting it installed because I'm not as good with that type of stuff, and I usually don't want to film it because I just want to get it done. But I did install it. I will kind of give you a demonstration of how it went and some issues I ran into when installing it, because that was something that they were harping on, is how easy it was to install this product. But I am approaching the 2-month mark of using the filterbaby water system, and I have to say I've seen some great results with it. I'm gonna go ahead and take you into my bathroom, show you kind of what the installation process was like, and then I want to talk about some results that I've seen with it and kind of wrap up this video. Here we go, we're going on an adventure. This is still work in progress, this whole filming setup here, but can you all even see the filter? There she is. There she is in all of her glory. Okay, so As you see, it does stand out just a little bit from the sink, which I mean is usual. My sink I don't think was really built for this. So I'm gonna run you through with just my hands what it was like installing it. So it was hard to fit the thing that goes in here. I forgot what it was even called, but it's hard to fit the thing that goes in the faucet itself because it's just like it will go in crooked, it will do a few things. I think that was just my sink issue, but still it was a little bit difficult, and so took a few tries. It was very frustrating, had to take a break, whatever. Then once I got that installed, it was perfect. The reason why that was such a big issue is because it was leaking out the side. So whenever I got it in crooked, it was just like kind of leaking. And so I've got it pretty good, and you can see there it switches out the filter, and it's easy just to like use regular tap water as well, so you're not wasting the filter. So far I've noticed, I mean, it's really not that inconvenient. I do have to kind of explain what this is to some people who come over and just be like, hey, listen, this is what this is. It should be set up for you, but I don't know, it's just, it's really convenient, honestly. Like, it wasn't terribly difficult to install once I got the faucet filter in the very top even and aligned. It was pretty easy from there. So installation process was very simple. They give you a video, which is great for people like me who needs a visual to see what it is. It's just difficult because everyone's sink is different. Mine is a little bit awkward. I'm hoping I will get a new sink eventually because I've had this since I was like 2 years old. Now let's discuss results and things that I have seen since I've been incorporating this water filter in my day-to-day routine. What I do is I wash my hands with the filtered water just at the beginning of my skincare routine, and the only other time that I use it is whenever I am rinsing off a cleanser, emulsifying an oil cleanser, or even shaving my face. Since I do require water for that, I fill the sink up with the filtered water. It kind of feels super luxurious, and use that to shave as well. When it comes to instant results that I saw with it within the first 3 times of using it, I noticed that my redness was significantly reduced, and that is the main takeaway that I got from incorporating this water filter. It's just a very luxurious experience. I do feel like if you have a lot of skin concerns such as redness, or you live in a more populated city area where the tap water is not the best, that is when I would recommend it. When it does reach the 3-month mark, I will continue to keep you all posted on this product, but this is just kind of like a 2-month check-in. I think they are supposed to send me a new filter next month because they send it every 3 months. I will show you all the results and what the water looks like to see if I feel like it is worth it at that time. But I do want to go ahead and let you all know about this product because from what I can tell, it has helped my acne. Those results do take a little bit longer to show those benefits, and it definitely still matters to use your skincare product. This is in no way a replacement for an acne treatment, or in no way a replacement to cleanse your skin, but this definitely did help my actives and my acne fighting products be more effective, in my opinion at least, and with my personal experience. This is definitely a luxury. Is it a necessity? I don't feel like it is, but as someone who is acne prone and has struggled with it within my 20s and was going through pretty bad acne at the time of me starting to use this product, I can definitely tell a significant difference in my skin, mostly in the redness that was reduced and also the overall hydration of my skin. Those were the instant results that I saw with it, but overall, I feel like it is worth it if you do have a lot of skin concerns and you've noticed that your tap water is just really bad. I don't feel like it was terrible in my area. Only time will tell about that, but still, I feel like this is a great investment if you are dealing with a lot of skin concerns. I bought this myself. This is not sponsored whatsoever. The installation process was not terribly complicated, and since it did come with a video, it was more helpful. I just hate taking on projects like that. I'm trying to work on my construction building skills, and construction building, like your water filter that goes in your bathroom, that's so innovative. The next step is for me to build a house, like fully. I am working on my technical skills, I should say, and my building skills. But I do really love this product. I have seen some pretty good results with it, and I feel like it is worth it, like I said, if you struggle with a lot of skin concerns. If you are noticing that everything is fine in your routine, don't fix something that's not broken. Honestly, this is a very expensive investment, and the only time I would turn to a product like this is if you're noticing that your skin is not improving and you've tried so many products. This may be an option to turn to if you feel like the tap water is pretty bad in your area. I'm sure you could research that. I tried to research it for me and I got some mixed answers. I live kind of close to a metropolitan city, but not close enough where I feel like it would be affecting that. Anyway, I have had a great experience with it. I personally feel like it's worth it, and I will continue to keep you all posted on this water filter to see how well it's been filtering my water and just what it's been doing overall. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. Also, let me know what other new things you want me to try because I'm so open to many ideas. I will see you all in the next video.